are going to solve these two equations. We call these as simultaneous equations because there are two unknown in these two problems. Then two different equations given related to unknown to each other. Then today we are going to use elimination method. First step is we are going to label the equations as number 1, this one as number 2. Then that is the working is make clear. Label 1, second equation label 2. Then the next step is we are going to choose unknown one in this equation and going to multiply the equation by a factor. That means to eliminate we are going to make same coefficient in both equations. Then as the next step we will take first equation multiply by 5. Then 5 2x plus 3y equals 5 into 5 25. 5 into 2x 10x plus 5 into 3y 15y equals 25. We will label it as 3. Then 10x is there, then we can make this also as 10x x2. Next step to eliminate this unknown from two equations. Then we will multiply 2 equation by 2. Then 2 multiply by 5x minus 2y equals minus 16 into 2 minus 32. Then 2 into 5x 10x minus 4y equals minus 32. Then we will name it as, label it as 4. Then there's 10x here, 10x here. Then we can eliminate these two. That is the next step. Eliminate this unknown from two equations by subtracting. Then we can subtract 3 from 4. 4 subtract 3. Then 4 10x minus 10x minus 4y minus 15y equals minus 32 minus 25. Then we can eliminate plus 10x minus 10x. Then minus 4y minus 15y minus 19y equals to minus 57. Then y equals to minus 57 divided by 19, that means 3. Now we find y is as this. Then we are going to, next step is we are going to substitute in the first equation. This is the first equation. We are going to substitute y in the first equation. We will do it as like this. 2x plus 3y. 2x plus 3y equals 5. We already know y is 3. Then 2x plus 3y means 3 into 3, 9 equals 5. Then 2x equals 5 minus 9. X equals to minus 4 divided by 2, then minus 2. We found answer of x also.